Good morning, guys. Good morning. It's quite early today. It's about 7 o'clock. So just woken up. Let's say I've got college today at 9:30, so I need to get up early today. But we've got something else planned for you later. I won't tell you, but it's like on time because it starts at 6:30, and I finished college at 5, so we'll see how it goes, guys. So I've got to come with me today, so I'll try and film in college if I can, but I'm not sure if I will because, hello guys, how you doing? Are you having a great day? I hope you do. I really hope you do. Sure, it's quite dark actually today, normally it's quite light. So, yeah. So my voice is croaky, guys. You know that when you wake up, that's what it's like, isn't it? I mean, hair's all over the place as well. Today brings guys. Sit downstairs now, but you're gonna be in charge. I'll see you guys in a sec. Have a great day. About to get ready now for this college. Not bad start, really. It's about 8:30, so not too bad a start, eh? I need to make this thing tonight, guys. We're going to make it tonight. I hope so. That means I'm going to have to run, try and get there. I'm joking. It should be alright. Should be enough time. Let's just say, gonna get in the spirit for getting in this spirit. I'm not gonna tell you what for, but you'll find out. So let's get ready now, guys. Catch you in a sec. I'm all done. Hey guys, but what's your worst fear? Mine's greasy air. Oh, I can't stand greasy air. So makes me so paranoid. I can't. That's probably my worst one. I hate that. Let me know what yours is. I'm just gonna feed my fish now.
Oh, for crying out loud. Christmas. It's only November. My calendar was
Because it's getting dark now, I have to put the light on the fish tank. Because I won't be able to see them, might bump into each other. Right. Back to leave for college now, guys. I'll catch you in a bit. Bloody hell, guys. Last time I spoke to you, it was morning, daylight. But now it's late. So I just have to meet Beth now and go to the lights. Well, Christmas light here, guys. Let me put it in. See the Christmas lights. Because it starts at 6:30. Starts at 6:30, so I've got plenty of time. It's only about 5 o'clock now, so I've plenty of time to walk there. So yeah, like I said, last time I spoke to her, morning. So good deal. Yeah, so I'm just walking to there now. literally can't believe it's been all day since I last seen you. It's gone so fast today. So, yeah. Just gonna rush years now. Meet my parents in a bit as well. I'm walking to town and I'm gonna meet them later on, but because it don't start till 6:30, so we've got plenty of time yet. So last year they weren't very good like last year, I don't think. They weren't really good for us at the back, so we're gonna, well, not like the back, but the lights weren't very good, I don't think. So we're gonna updated a few more lights this year. I waited for a whole year for this. So I swear to God, the best have some good ones in. I swear to God. Just inside, so get inside quickly. Freezing. Just couldn't find her now then. I think she is. Who do you think she is? Where are you? Can't find her, guys.
Oh, you're scared in there.
Hello.
Hello.
Found her.
These. Look at this.
Yeah.
It's a big Cubone.
Cubone? Yeah.
It's rammed outside, you know.
Huh?
Rammed outside.
That's not too bad where I walk in.
You know where the TV is?
Really?
Or someone we're going to get by.
What about at the back? Going back at the back today. Cubone.
Look.
Hello.
Yeah, I ran out of these.
Night vision.
What did you give me?
Well, now they're here.
Here, do Christmas lights.
Yeah, look.
Oh, that's a lot better.
Let's go north.
Yeah.
So it's about to move now.
Going north now.
Get a bit closer down somewhere.
Christmas lights.
Hello, Christmas lights. Try. Here she is. Morgan's here too.
Oh, blue.
You see, there's balloons there. So she's trying to get some closer now. Not sure where though. Where are we going? Where are we going to? How far are we going? How far are we going? Let's find some lesson. Yeah. Where are we going? Hi. We're going to Lush then. Babe, what's to Lush? Yeah, look in here. Look in here. See what you want. See what you can get. Nothing from here. Just be careful, lights, isn't it?
Now you're supposed to inside out.
Excited? You're not, no?
Yeah.
I'm only joking.
Oh, police. It's the Popo.
There's a police. Get a quick snapshot in for the
These Cubans going to Wilkinson.
still. It's 5 to 6, still 20 minutes. Who's this? I don't think it's supposed to be worse than this.
When it counts down.
So, yeah,
It's 6:30, isn't it?
6:30, yeah, we've got 25 minutes. Well, we must get on stage and show them all up.
Yes. Where's Sam Bailey?
Somebody says something fucking thing. Police are ready.
That's all for that guy that was robbing her.
Yeah.
Is that that one you on about? Five Guys?
Five Guys, that's
Is that it?
Get a light, then we get a Christmas light.
Yeah.
Like you, should buy one. Put some ears.
They don't have the Minnie Mouses.
Put some ears though. Ah. I might
I like
get
the
one
spinners.
though.
I like the spinners.
The spinners. Some ears.
Oh no, that's
Look how colourful they are.
Huh? That's what they do in Japan. Why? What? You what? Because in Japan.
Yeah.
These spinny ones are good.
No, I don't like it.
Why are they doing it here? It's not illegal here.
Sometimes they do it.
Look.
Sometimes they just do it. I wish it was like angels. They all walk around like that. They look quite cool, but if you had to.
Hello.
Not like all of them.
I can't twist that way.
I'm a Christmas rabbit.
Boy. Well, there's a real reindeer then.
I actually thought it was a real rainbow. Wait over there.
We're gonna miss the line.
You're gonna miss the lights if you wait. Sampa!
We're gonna miss the line.
I thought it real, did you? Oh, that was
Hello.
good timing. That was good timing.
We'll go over here. Chipmunk queue.
Yeah, we're down there again.
You can see the lights, Jake.
Yeah, over here, yeah. That's the same over there. This way, come over here. Come over here. Get the lights then.
Yeah, sorry. Waiting for everybody. Where's Leo?
She's trying to find somewhere good. And then get.
My name is Bunny.
No, my name's James.
Jake, where do you want to stand?
And it's here.
Some baby singing.
That's in the plot, yeah.
Oh, is she?
Yeah. Amazing.
7
Where?
on the stage. We'll be able to see her though.
You're looking for you.
Better not see her, do ya? Oh, baby, yeah, see the lights down there. You see them over there?
Hello. You see the tree come on?
And down there, look.
Balloons out of the way.
Down.
I know, yeah. Balloons in the way. Let's go in the corner.
Good place here.
It is a good place here. You can see right down there.
I should stay here
I
then.
don't get why the tinsel's so sparkly.
Huh? What do you say?
Tinsel's sparkly.
Sparkly.
Do reflections and everything, isn't it? Yes, you're going there after the light.
About a minute now, about a minute again. Half 6. Work out for yourself. Let's zoom in.
Well, I don't like them. The Christmas tree lights are fun. Oh, I don't like them. You like to go round?
Counting down, I think. There we are.
8,
7, 6, 5, 4.
3, 2, 1.
That's better. That's better. Hey. Yeah, they're nice, they are. Down there. Hi, Ben. Do you like? Yeah, no. Pretty.
That's better. Low to the top and it goes really sparse at the bottom like no.
That's done. That's done. We're going to taxi. Yeah. Everyone else got the car. You've got no room in the car for us, have you? You've got the room in the car for us. So, yeah, we're gonna go to the taxi now and
Did we enjoy the night?
get scared.
Did we
Yeah,
enjoy
good
the
lights, right? Yeah, I've got some more down here.
Meh, 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 meh. There's sun to look, girls. Meh.
I'm walking for about an hour looking for a taxi. We're joking. We're here now though. How's your legs?
Cold.
It isn't really achy, just cold, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Just got home now. This cab driver didn't even give us 20p change.
He stole my 20p.
How much was it? £7.50, but
No, it came to £7.30 and I gave him £7.50 and I was waiting for my 20p.
so yeah, scammed from 20p. We're like, just have it then, mate, just have it. Oh, I've got home to this cat here again.
This chub.
He loves to chub. Did you enjoy the lights, mate? Wow. Oh, that guy enjoyed. He really enjoyed the lights. He came secretly with his best friend.
Who's his best friend?
He's got a nice, good friend in the back garden. He comes out like every day.
Oh.
Can't do the fence with him.
Maybe it's his boyfriend.
It could be, yeah. It could be his boyfriend. You know, I think it might be. It could be his boyfriend. I don't know. That's today wrapped up, guys. That's the end of this video today. I hope you enjoyed it. It was something quite nice as well for you to watch. So I hope you enjoyed it, guys. A good video coming up to you Saturday and Sunday. So look out for that. But I've got some extra subscribe button. There's some bell next to it. Click on that, it'll give you notifications. That's when I upload the video. So if you do that, they're there for you to keep in touch of new videos from me. So yeah, next to the subscribe button, there's a bell. So click on that bell, it'll say notifications on. So that means, obviously, when a lot from me, that'll show up on your phone, laptop, or tablet. So yeah, so if you do that, guys, therefore you keep up to date. So Saturday and Sunday, I've got some good videos, so keep an eye out for that. But till then, please have a good night, guys. Have a good morning or good night, wherever this video comes up. So I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Stay. Actually, before that, you're great, you're incredible. Don't let anything stop you. Stay and think positive.